All right, mate. Let's look at MIR. I still own MIR. So I honestly have not even looked at it. I've had a crazy busy day. I'm just trying to keep up on just yeah. I'm just trying to keep up and catch up on everything and keep on top of everything. So I'm still holding. Yeah, she's moving okay. This is that's a daily. You can see here on the 12 hour, we're kind of forming. Well, it's nowhere near an apex yet, but UTO. Yesterday it reminded me of auto. As you can see here, you know it grinded the whole way in into this sort of mini apex right here, grinded up. As you can see, you know we're looking for the same sort of action as it grinds up in here, and then the compression breaks us up out of that, and I'm looking for the exact same thing to happen here. So it may be a bit of a process, but you can see there at one point it was a 22% bounce. The issue here, Auto had this beautiful test pump, right? We don't really have that here. It's unfortunate that we don't have a big test pump there, because the test pump can clear orders in the order book and free up price to be more free to go higher. Um, we have taken orders in the order book up to this point, but that's not too far. That's not too high ahead of us. You know, that's only a few percent. What is that actually? That's a 5% bounce. So what we're looking for, obviously, is we're looking to explode through that. What would be amazing is if we could actually move back up to take some liquidity in this wick, right? Because this wick at some point will fill right up here. I don't know when, but I'm still holding at this point, and you know, will I hold to up here? Probably not. Um, I get very impatient, and I end up cutting profits or taking profits and managing risk on other trades. For example, if I have a bad trade, say I'm up 10% on this, for example, or 20% on this, and then I have another trade that's down 5%. I may cut 5% of MIR's profits and 5% of my other trade, and then I'm break even. You know, and I kind of do stuff like that to manage my risk in my own portfolio. I'm not saying that that's the right call for everybody. It needs to be managed effectively. I'm just saying that that's what I do. So sometimes for me, holding long term, it's not that I don't even want to hold long term. It's more just my way of managing risk. But I like MIR. I like it here, and I think we should get a break up at some point.